Hi class, I'm going to show you a few examples from section 4.1 on WebAssign. This is the ordered pairs on a coordinate graph assignment. Okay, the first thing I want to show you is how to plot points on the coordinate grid that WebAssign provides. You can see off to the left there are some icons. We're only going to use a couple of these during this chapter, but the one I want you to use to help answer this question is the dot icon, which I just highlighted in blue. And then from there, we're just going to plot one ordered pair at a time. The first one is -8, -1. Since -8 is the x-coordinate, you locate it on the x-axis, which is horizontal, and then -1 is on the y-axis, which is vertical. And where the -8 and -1 intersect, move your mouse cursor to the -8, -1 intersection, and it will put a dot right there at -8, -1. Next is 1, -1, so this is +1 on the x. We'll go down to -1 on the y, and there's our another dot. And then 0, 0, that's pretty easy. It's right there in the middle. And to double check these before you submit them, you can hover over them. Do you see in the light gray that it says -8, -1, and then if we go over here to 0, 0, it says that in the light gray. And then same with the +1, -1. Okay, the next example says determine whether each ordered pair is a solution of the equation. This is a 4-part question. It's offered 4 ordered pairs and 1 equation, y equals 2x plus 18. The ordered pairs are in order x, y. We'll substitute these into the equation to check if the equation is still equal on both sides. For the first one would be 22, since that's y, equals 2 times 2 plus 18. 2 times 2 is 4, and when you add 4 to 18, that is 22. Because this is a true statement, the ordered pair 2, 22 is a solution. Now let's check -1, 5. 5 equals 2 times -1 plus 18. This would be -2 plus 18, and you can already see that is not going to equal 5. And so the ordered pair -1, 5 is not a solution. Okay, next the ordered pair 0, 0. 0 equals 2 times 0 plus 18. Again, you can already see that 0 does not equal 18. So the ordered pair 0, 0 is not a solution. Last one, the ordered pair -9, 0. 0 equals 2 times -9 plus 18. 2 times -9 is -18, and when you combine that with a +18, that does equal 0. So the ordered pair -9, 0 is a solution. Next question says complete each ordered pair so that it satisfies the equation. The equation is y equals -2x minus 1. I want you to notice that with each part of the question, one coordinate has already been given to you. So in part A, we know x is 0. In part B, x is -2. In part C, y is 1. The question asks to find the missing coordinate. For part A, if 0 is the value of x, this would be y equals -2 times 0 minus 1. -2 times 0 is 0, and so y equals -1. That's what you would type into the answer box. Okay, so for B, this would be y equals -2 times -2 minus 1. -2 times -2 is +4. +4 minus 1 is 3. The coordinate for y is +3. The last one, 1 equals -2x minus 1. This one we have to do a little bit more math than the previous examples. You need to add 1 to both sides to get 2 equals -2x. Divide both sides by -2, and so the x-coordinate will be 1, and that's what you'll put in the answer box. Okay, another question that you'll find on this homework is looking at a graph with points already plotted and then going back and determining the ordered pair that corresponds with that dot. Okay, so for the first one, point A is here. This is +1 and then up +1, so the ordered pair is 1, 1. Make sure you put a comma between those two numbers. Point B is up here, and so this is down -5, up 2. And so the ordered pair will be -5, 2. Point C is down here. This will be over +5 and down 2. So this will be 5, -2. And then point D, this will be over -3 and down -5. So it's -3, -5. And those are your answers. Okay, that's all for this video. Please let me know if you have any questions about this homework assignment.